Bootstrapping. Your business your way. It's about taking control of your destiny, shaping your future with your own hands. Building a business doesn't always need a pile of cash. It requires vision, determination, and a willingness to start small and grow steadily. Bootstrapping? That's starting with little to nothing, using your own smarts and sweat. It's about leveraging every resource you have, no matter how limited. It's tough, no doubt. Long nights, maybe a few tears. There will be moments of doubt, times when you question your path. But the reward? Owning your dream? Answering to no one? The satisfaction of seeing your vision come to life, knowing it was all you. Think of it like climbing a mountain. The climb is hard, you'll sweat, you might even want to quit. But every step forward is a testament to your resilience. But reaching the top, seeing what you've conquered, that feeling is priceless. That's bootstrapping. It's the ultimate test of your entrepreneurial spirit. This isn't for the faint of heart. You need grit, creativity, a touch of crazy. It's about pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. But done right, you control your destiny. No investors breathing down your neck, no giving away chunks of your vision. It's pure, unfiltered entrepreneurship. This is your business, built your way. Are you in? The journey is challenging, but the rewards are beyond measure. Let's make it happen. Start small, dream big, the power of scalability. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful business. Bootstrapping is about starting small, proving your idea, then growing organically. Don't try to be everything to everyone at the start. Focus on one thing you do exceptionally well. Find your niche, dominate it. Happy customers are your best salespeople. They'll spread the word. As you make money, reinvest it wisely. Slowly expand your offerings, your reach. This gradual growth is key. It allows you to adapt, to learn from mistakes without risking everything. Remember, even Amazon started in a garage. Start small, dream big, and scale up strategically. Free is your friend, leveraging resources without spending a dime. No money for fancy software or a swanky office? No problem. The internet is a treasure trove of free resources for savvy entrepreneurs. Need a logo? Canva's got you covered. Website? Wix and Squarespace offer free plans. Marketing help? Hello, YouTube tutorials. Don't underestimate the power of your network. Friends, family, former colleagues, they can be your biggest supporters, offering skills and advice for free, or at least a discounted rate. Bartering is another fantastic option. Trade your skills for services you need. Got away with words? Offer copywriting in exchange for web design. Remember, bootstrapping is about being resourceful, finding creative solutions. There's a world of free help out there. Grab it! Every penny counts, mastering the art of frugal finances. In today's world, where every cent matters, mastering the art of frugal finances can be the difference between success and failure. Money might be tight, but that doesn't mean you can't be a financial whiz. With the right strategies, you can stretch every dollar and make it work harder for you. Bootstrapping requires meticulous money management. It's about knowing where every penny goes and making sure it's spent wisely. Separate your personal and business finances from day one. This not only helps in tracking expenses, but also in understanding the true financial health of your business. Open a business bank account and ensure all business transactions go through it. This will make accounting easier and more transparent. Track every dollar coming in and going out. Use tools and software to help you keep a detailed record of your finances. Negotiate like your life depends on it. Suppliers, contractors, and even service providers are often willing to offer discounts if you ask. Landlords. Everyone loves a good deal. Don't hesitate to negotiate your rent or lease terms. Be polite, be persistent, and don't be afraid to walk away if the price isn't right. Sometimes the best deal is the one you don't take. Embrace the DIY spirit. Can you handle your own social media? Design basic marketing materials? The more skills you can develop, the less you'll need to spend on outsourcing. The more you can do yourself, the more money you save. This not only saves money, but also gives you greater control over your brand and business operations. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar invested back into your business. These savings can be used to grow your business, invest in new opportunities, or simply provide a cushion for tough times. Be smart, be frugal, and watch your business grow. With careful planning and a frugal mindset, you can turn financial constraints into opportunities for growth and success. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start today and see the difference frugal finances can make in your entrepreneurial journey. From zero to hero inspiring tales of bootstrapped success. Don't believe bootstrapping works? Think again. Some of the world's biggest companies started with little more than an idea and a whole lot of hustle. Take GoPro, for example. Founder Nick Woodman started by selling camera straps out of his van. Today, GoPro is synonymous with action cameras. Or how about MailChimp? They bootstrapped for 6 whole years, becoming a billion-dollar email marketing giant without a penny of outside investment. These stories prove that with passion, hard work, and a dash of ingenuity, anything is possible. Let their journeys inspire you. Remind you that you're not alone on this path. Bootstrapping is challenging, but the rewards are oh so sweet. Marketing magic without breaking the bank. In today's digital age, you don't need a massive budget to make a big impact. With the right strategies, even the smallest businesses can compete with the giants. No budget for billboards and TV ads? No problem. Traditional advertising can be costly and often out of reach for startups and small businesses. But don't let that discourage you. Bootstrapping forces you to be creative with your marketing. It pushes you to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions that can set you apart from the competition. Social media is your new best friend. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer incredible opportunities to reach your audience without spending a dime. It's free, it's powerful, and it allows you to connect with your target audience directly. Post engaging content, run contests, collaborate with influencers. Content is king. Start a blog, share your journey, and build a community around your brand. Create valuable videos, offer free webinars, show off your expertise, and provide value to your audience. The more you give, the more you'll get back in return. Establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Share your knowledge, insights, and experiences. People trust experts, and trust leads to loyalty. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Happy customers are your best advocates. Their recommendations can bring in new business without any extra cost. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews, refer their friends, offer incentives, discounts, or special deals to motivate them. Make it easy for them to spread the word. Simplify the referral process and reward them for their efforts. Remember, marketing doesn't have to be expensive to be effective. With creativity and persistence, you can achieve great results. Get creative, get social, and leverage every free tool at your disposal. The digital world is full of opportunities waiting to be explored, so get the word out there. Your business deserves to shine, and with the right approach, it will. The bootstrap mindset, creativity, grit, and a whole lot of hustle. Bootstrapping isn't just a funding strategy, it's a mindset. It's about resourcefulness, resilience, and unwavering belief in your vision. Prepare for long hours, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But remember why you started. Hold on to your passion. It'll fuel you through the tough times. Embrace the hustle. Be willing to do whatever it takes, wear multiple hats, learn new skills on the fly. This is where your creativity will shine. Find innovative solutions, turn limitations into opportunities. Most importantly, never give up. Bootstrapping is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate small victories, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. You got this. Your bootstrapping journey starts now. So, you're ready to join the ranks of bootstrapped entrepreneurs? Fantastic. It's an exciting, challenging, and ultimately rewarding journey. Remember, start small, scale strategically, and leverage free resources. Be a financial ninja, get creative with your marketing, and never underestimate the power of your network. Most importantly, embrace the bootstrap mindset. Be resourceful, be resilient, be relentless in your pursuit of success. The world is full of successful businesses that started with a shoestring budget and a whole lot of heart. Yours could be next. Now go out there and make it happen.